So, a lot of you have been following along while I'm making a cleaver for my friend Jeff, and that cleaver is actually tempering right now. So, I'm going to be working some on the other cleaver that I'm making for my friend Ralph, and a few of you have gotten to see what I've got so far. Believe it or not, this is a cleaver. This part will become the handle. And I'm actually going to pivot it up so that it's, cleaver shaped. And a lot of people have said, well, Sean, how the hell are you going to do that? Let me show you. One thing I'll be doing is using this hot cut tool, which, as you can see, is just a little wedge. It goes right in here. The hardy hole on the anvil. But it's already got a slot cut, so I'm not actually going to be cutting with this. I'm going to be using it as a wedge. Technical term for what we have here is a honking big piece of metal, and it is thick too. And it does not want to do this straight. Looks really hot on camera, but it's cooling off real fast. And next, we're going to use this hammer, which I have modified to have a radius going each direction instead of a flat hammerhead. Oh man. There are days when I wonder, what did I get myself into? Hanging this off the side of the anvil. Coming in at as much of an angle as I can. I have to go back and flatten up the corners again. Okay. Slowly but surely, we're moving it. Back in the heat. All right. Is a honkin' thick piece of steel. Let's try this strategy again. It's getting there. And if you're sitting out there in YouTube land saying, wow, that looks like quite a workout, you're right. Kind of a small handle, but I can make it grippy. I'll probably draw it out a little bit because it really doesn't need to be a 1/4 inch thick. So I'll thin it a bit, lengthen the handle, lengthen the blade a little. It'll be good. Oh man. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this point here because it's kind of right in the way of the handle. I may just wind up needing to grind that into a smooth curve, give a better grippy surface. Of course, I'll be flattening this out and making this more comfy. And man, that was warm on my fingers. entire roll-up door on the end of my workshop open. I've got an open window there, and I'm sweating like it's 90 degrees because I'm working hard, and I got about a 2,000 degree fire right there. Oh. Sometimes the biggest challenge is just finding the right angle. And the right hammer for the job. So my next step here is going to be getting rid of that point because it just doesn't really serve a purpose. So if I was being super traditional, getting rid of that point would involve getting it hot, using a chisel like this one and a sledgehammer, and cutting it off. Well, that's how I cut that slit in the cleaver. And that took me about 2 hours, so, because that's some thick steel. So I'm not doing that. I'm using my angle grinder on that puppy. As soon as that cools down, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video now and see how much work I can get in on that cleaver the rest of the evening. But for those of you who are wondering how exactly I was going to pivot that handle up, that's how.